Coach Shalynne, and I'm so excited to spend time here with you today. And in today's 60 seconds, we're going to continue our conversation talking about managing our emotions and working with aromatherapy. So aromatherapy has been something that has been used for years and years and years. And there's a way in which to help balance out your emotions if you're feeling a little sad, if you're feeling a little anxious, or even if you're feeling stressed out and just need to relax. And as I mentioned in my first part of this, I really help my clients to create the atmosphere that they're looking for to help balance through all of the challenging things that are happening right now. And one thing that I really want to communicate with you is that if you're feeling like your emotions are literally all over the place, this would be a great opportunity to use all natural solutions that aren't going to provide any side effects. And I look forward to really being able to help you in that regard. So reach out to me, let's talk about it, and let's get some essential oils that are going to help you stabilize your emotions. That's all the time we have today, and I'll see you next time.